welcome to this channel. You come to this channel, we're gonna welcome you. Subscribe, join the family. We're gonna react to this video. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna review it. This video is gonna be the sound of four Su-57 for connoisseur. So this is the jet Su-57, the famous Russian jet, the one of the best jets in the world. One of the beautiful. We're gonna hear the sound of it. So let's go. I hope you like the videos, guys. So let's go. Dragon. It's like a little dragon coming, like passing. Wow, it's lovely sound, man. I would be scared to hear that sound if a Su jet passed up of me, like up in the sky, passed. Man, scary, scary. This is the sound of the dragon jet. We're gonna hear it again, so we're gonna check the video again. Let's go. Amazing, man. Very scary sound when it goes past, like, man. This is the Su-57, guys. So guys, what do you think about this video? Give me your opinion. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. This is the Su-57, amazing jet, beautiful, nice video. Give me more videos, guys. We're gonna react to them. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Take care.